Yeah. Mob 1, Tina, Agonaut Euphonics, 2003.
You, I'm so into you. You're all that I've pursued. I feel alive with you. Never thought that we'd be through. I'm so into you. You're all that I've pursued. I feel alive with you.
Life's full of discrepancies, rocking leather cleats, cold weather creeps, and December treats us frigid and never cease. All alone in these Denver streets, I used to come in late at your job and check your steeds. That smile commit possibly making out act wild, rationale. Damn girl, you got me feeling passion now. Making love and passing out, it's ill though. Me and you sharing a pillow, creating a life you and I can build slow. That's real growth. I thought I could never feel close to another human, it's soothing, you let me move in. Now we got a blueprint, exuberant, groundbreaking, the foundation where I'm found pacing. I finally caught with us flagrant hounds of chasing underground in basements. So now my days spent pasting my lover's face in my Cornerstone's corridors. I brought you orchids or poetry through morbid lore that orbits lords. And there's so much more in store.
Nothing I won't do, but for now, baby, we're through. What am I to owe? So in love with you. Nothing I won't do, but for now, baby, we're through.
Now along with halls, we got walls. This is the chapter where the plot falls, mothballs. It's the odor from our closet. You told me about your past and I lost it, it was caustic. I thought quick, yo, this broad's sick. I thought it was my place to judge. I was blessed with the grace of thugs. Slapped her face and shoved. Watched her fall to the floor and called her a, then walked to the door. Now we aren't talking no more, but we all forget and forgive, especially when we're expecting a kid. Now we're stressing to live, discretion is big, but the question is this: where did all the hate go? We need to come to grips with reality. A guns and whips, a punch and a kick will occur in front of the kid. I dug deep for something to give, peeped the velvet box, enclosing a band that held the rocks, that compelled a knot to leave but the belt the knot. Yo, what a selfish plot. Cycle, you should try it, it's trifle. That's why me and my girl are so silent and spiteful, trying to weigh down my eyelids with NyQuil. Insomniac, writing a song to a track. Quite often, in fact, do I have to move to Boston to rap? I feel lost in a trap with my leg in a snare. Crazy rounds I'm anxious to share. Whoa, who's that babe over there? I gotta get her name cause she stared. What's up, girl, how are you? You look like the type I'd like to bring flowers to. Take you out to devour food and amaretto sours too. For real, I'd shower you in kisses, make you my mistress and do the dishes. Damn, you look delicious. My wife's suspicions created a mission. Now she's fishing to try to reel me in being fraudulent. Searching my car for bras, thongs, and kicks that belong to chicks. Why you tripping? I was at the lab creating songs and asked my conglomerate. I knew they would go along with it, so just save your consequent flaws to pick. Then one day I was caught red-handed. There could never be any chance for me for amnesty, only apathy. The tapestry of a family was only a fantasy, then it vanished, see? Misery's wizardry. I can take the dopest thing ever given to me and turn it to ancient history. So here I stand cold and lonely again. Thank you for listening.